Hello, hello. Another day, another math page. So today we're going to focus on, we're still in that 4MD1 packet, but remember I said we were just going to do one day at a time. So we're going to go to, and it was kind of confusing. I was noticing in the packet it's got some doubles, but we'll go ahead and do the one that has Miss Kelley, number 1, Miss Kelley. That's the one that I'm going to go over with you right now. So, Miss Kelley decided, so make sure you have your either whiteboard or your teaching set right in front of you. Well, teaching set, it doesn't really say teaching set. Make sure you have this one in front of you. We're doing measurement. We are working with those conversions still with real world problems. So converting meters to centimeters. Okay? So meters to centimeters. So meters to centimeters. First of all, that's what we want to always figure out. So what's the conversion? Meters to centimeters, meters to centimeters. The meter is bigger than a centimeter. So our numbers are going to be bigger here. It takes more centimeters to fill up a meter. Okay? So we're going from meter, the smaller number, to a bigger number, means we're going to multiply. Okay, we're going from centimeter, smaller measurement, to a larger number to smaller number. We're going to divide. Okay, and then we go, well, by how much? So meter, centa. Remember that centa, like century or a cent, 1 cent, you need 100 cents to equal $1. So 100 is centa. So you're either going to multiply or divide when you're working with meters to centimeters or centimeters to meters by 100. Okay, so it gives you a perimeter, and then we'll read this, or it gives you measurements and talks about perimeter. Okay, so again, perimeter is the outside of a rectangle. So number 1, it says, Miss Kelley decided to decorate boxes for each one of her friends. She wanted to use ribbon to decorate the border of each box. To measure the amount of ribbon she needs for each box, she needs to know the perimeter of the top of the box. What is the perimeter in centimeters of the top of the box? So if this side is 88, then this side will be 88. If this side is 72, then this side will be 72. So we're going to just stack all of those up. So perimeter equals, we're going to go 72 plus 72 plus 88 plus 88. Okay? But it's a little bit easier to stack all of those. So 72 plus 72. I'm going to do that one first. 2 plus 2 is 4. Carry the 1. Oh, not sorry. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then 7 plus 7 is 14. And then we have our 88. 88 plus 88. 8 plus 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 16. 17. 176. 144. So this is 144. This is 176. Okay, then we're going to add those two together. 176 right underneath here. 6 plus 4 is 10. 7 plus 4 is 11. 12. Carry the 1. 2, 3. So our perimeter is 320 centimeters. Okay, 320 centimeters. Sorry, that's a little crooked. Okay, then part B asks, Miss Kelley has 13 meters. Okay, so after we have this, our perimeter, part A, perimeter equals 320 centimeters. Part B now gives us some information. Miss Kelley has 13 meters of gold, 13 meters, so I would circle that, 13 meters of gold ribbon, and 16 meters of silver ribbon, so I would circle those. She needs to figure out how many centimeters of ribbon she has in order to determine how many boxes she can decorate with ribbon. So how many centimeters of ribbon, I would underline, how many centimeters of ribbon. Okay, so we're going to add these two up to give us a total of ribbon that she has. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. So she has 29 meters, and she needs to know how many centimeters that is. Okay, so she has 29 meters, and she needs to know how many centimeters. So we're going from meters to centimeters. So we go up to our code up here, meters to centimeters. We multiply by 100. Okay, multiply by 100. So if I take 29 and I multiply by 100, think about our zeros trick. So 29 times 100, all you're going to do is add 2 zeros, right, to 29. So 29, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, comma. So 2,900 centimeters is what she has. Oh, sorry, I just did that completely wrong for you. They broke it up. So let's just quickly, 13 meters equals how many centimeters? So meters to centimeters multiplied by 100, you're just adding those 2 zeros to that. So 1300, and 16 meters equals how many centimeters? Okay, you're adding 2 zeros to that, 1,600. And then I gave you the total, but it's not asking that. Sorry, I should have paid attention. What's it asking? And then it gives it to you. So part C, how many boxes with gold border can she make? Okay, so the 13 meters, this is our gold. So B is, and I'm going to do gold. I'm going to go like this. Gold equals 1,300 and silver equals 1,600 is what she has. Centimeters. Gold and silver. How many boxes? Well, how many did it take for each box? Okay, our perimeter is 320. So we need to find out how many 320s we can get out of each one of these. Okay, so this is our gold border. So if we take our gold border, 1,300 centimeters, and we need to break it down to find out how many of these we can make. Okay, you can do it two ways. You can do long division, or we can start with 320 and start adding them up, and actually that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so here's one box, here's two boxes, Okay. And I'm going to add another one. That's 3 boxes. We're seeing how many we can get to 1,300. So 0, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 960. We can add another one. So here's 1, 2, 3. We can still add another one to that. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1,280. Oh, that's really close. 1,280. So we're not going to be able to add another one of those, another box. So she can get 1, 2, 3, 4 full boxes. So part C is going to be 4 boxes. In that first answer, how much gold ribbon in centimeters is left? So 1,280. So we would subtract this from this. So 1,300 take away 1,280. Some of you can just do that in your head. 0 take away 0. Here we're going to have to borrow because of 0. So 3 becomes a 2. Bounce that 1 over. So now we have 10 take away 8. So 8 in my head. 9, 10 to count on. I counted on 2. So 20 centimeters are left over. So 20 centimeters left over. And then part D is how many boxes of silver. So you're doing the same thing, but now with silver. So I need to get to 1,600. And it takes 300. Oh, I shouldn't have erased that. So we know 4 boxes was 1,280. So 1,280. 1,280. So that's 4 boxes. So let's add 320 to that. See what we get. 0 plus 0. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1,600. Okay, so we're going to add 1 more box to that. And that's as much as we can make. So we can do 5 boxes. So D is 5 boxes. And how much will be left over? 0 centimeters. Okay, so now your job is to go ahead and move on to Mr. O'Brady. Mr. O'Brady. So I want you to try for your student set number 2, Mr. O'Brady decided to surprise the secretaries. Okay, that is your homework. Do that. If you have questions, make sure you're circling or putting a question mark beside the stuff that you don't understand so that you can get on with us on Friday and I can answer your questions for you. Or Tuesdays and Fridays, I can answer questions. So let me know if you have any questions. Bye.